Download the 2812 online application from Play Store or App Store. After installing, open the application and load. Once the application loads, you will be able to view the content menu on your screen. Select the 3D model you would like to explain for your online class. Allow the application to access your camera. You'll be able to interact with the 3D model by zooming in, out and rotating either sides. Teach with ease. If you want to change the topic, you can go back to the main menu by pressing back button. Once the teacher shares a screen onto the application she uses for online classes, the students can view the class with the selected 3D model.